Welcome back to part 3 of my video tutorial series on how to write the best essays. Today we are going to be talking about the recipe to write the best conclusion. Let's go ahead and get started. A conclusion paragraph is what you would consider the baking process. Now that you have your main ingredient, which was your introduction, and your seasonings, which was your body paragraphs, you want to make sure that those bake together in perfection so that your audience feels nice and full of knowledge. What you will need for this portion of the essay is a transition that reestablishes the entire thesis, a summary of the body paragraphs in your own words, a clincher that leaves the reader thinking about your essay. You are really just trying to solidify the ideas that you came up with throughout your entire essay and not trying to add any new information. What this might look like can be seen in this example paragraph. As you can see in green, we have our transition with a restatement of our thesis. In conclusion, music companies are using new techniques for attracting consumers' attention with software programs playing a key role. Then we summarize what we wrote in our body paragraphs in our own words. Throughout the course of COVID-19, music companies have increased their ability to offer lessons by creating online options. Music software equipment such as MIDI keyboards and programs such as GarageBand have been the most popular purchase item. Remember not to add any new pieces of evidence in your summary section. This orange section should just represent what you've written in your body paragraphs. Finally, you want to add a clincher. The idea of a clincher is very similar to a hook where you're trying to grab the audience's attention, but this time you're trying to leave them with something that they can walk away with and think about more. So for the purpose of this, I've pointed out a key idea within my essay, which is that veterans musicians will not be able to purchase their favorite items at an affordable price with the inflation of music sales. Now all there's left to do is enjoy the fruits of your labor. Bon appetit!